feel like this side needs to be bigger. It's a slippery slope after that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this really pretty 60s inspired look. I think it's very light and natural and beautiful and like a very soft pink look on your face. My main thing is to show you how to do the eyeliner. I'm in love with the eyeliner look. It wasn't too bad to do, but it just takes a little bit of work, and I'll show you how I did mine. So if you like this look, please keep watching. So I already have my moisturizer and my lip gloss on, and I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyes first. The reason I want to start with my eyes is because I am trying to do a beautiful winged eye, and just in case I mess up, I don't want to, like, if I have to erase it, I don't want to take off my makeup as well. So once we can perfect the eye, we can go ahead and do the rest of the face. So to help me perfect my winged eye look, I'm going to actually use tape, and I'm going to tape it on the corners right here of my eye so that I can get that beautiful even winged eye look. So when you're going to use tape, you always want to take a piece of tape and put it on the back of your hand just so that it's not as tacky when you put it on your face. That way you can easily pull it off, because you want to be very careful in that area because it's a very sensitive area, so you can just that way it's not as adhesive but enough for it to stick on and stay. I'm kind of going from the corner of my eyes right here to the end of my eyebrows, or a little lower based on however you think would look nice. So to start off, I'm going to prime my lid with this Forever 21 eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. I'm going to put that over my lid just to even my skin tone. I'm actually going to use this little Real Techniques beauty sponge to help me to pat that in. Now just to set that in place, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin in the color 80, which is Rich Tan. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to keep it super simple because I want the eyeliner to be the main star of the show. I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm actually going to pick this pink right up here, which is a matte pink, and I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my lid. I'm just using a dense brush like that, a flat dense brush, and I'm just patting it on. And I'm covering my lid. And I'm bringing it out a little bit to the side right here. Now I'm just going to use a clean fluffy brush just to clean up the top area. I'm going to go in with my MAC palette right here. I'm going to use this brown right here just to draw a little bit of a crease. I'm going to use a pencil brush like this just to draw that in. Just drawing my crease in just a little bit. As you can see, there's that little line right there. And I'm just going to use a clean, fluffier brush just to go over it and smooth it out a little bit. I'm going to use that same fluffy brush that I used earlier just to go over that whole thing. And I'm going to go back in with my pink and just fix up any areas that I feel like are too harsh. So that is it for our shadow for the top lid. Now we're going to go ahead and put our eyeliner on. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to use this Tarte clay paint liner. I'm going to use two brushes for that. One is this pointy brush that actually comes with the liner, and the other one is this angled brush. Now with this liner, the tube is like this, and all I do is you just need a little bit, so don't squeeze a lot of it out, and I kind of just use this as the surface for me to kind of like play with. Like I really only need like a little bit, and then I just kind of use this to help me get the right amount onto the brush. So I'm going to actually start off with my center part right here and then make my wing. When you get to this part right here, you actually want to go in so that the line can be narrow. So with this, I feel like I have the baseline already done, and now I just have to make it bigger. So for the end is where I would go in with this right here, and I will just make that line. Now I'm just gonna bring that over so it looks like a triangle. And then I'm just filling that triangle in. Now that I have like a gap right there, I just want to fill that in as well. So I think this side is done and it looks nice. Now the only problem is I have to do the same thing on the other side. So let's get going. Okay guys, this is so hard to do with the mirror in my hand, but I think I'm pretty happy with it. If I need to fix anything after I take the tape off, I can go ahead and do that, like fix my tip or something. But for now, I think I'm good with this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off and see what it looks like. Now before doing anything else to my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes with my electric lash curler. And for my mascara, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara. And for my lashes, I'm actually going to use this Ardell Fox Mink lashes in 811. And for my lash glue, I'm gonna just use this Duo Lash Glue in black. I think for this look, you need like big, voluminous looking lashes. All right, so now that I have my lashes in, which took me forever for some reason, the eyes are the hardest, I feel like. With the eyeshadow and the eyeliner and the lashes, those are the hardest because you gotta be more precise with them. But they're in, they're good to go. Now I can finish the rest of my eyes, and in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and line my bottom waterline. I'm going to go in with my MAC eyeshadow again, and I'm going to use the darkest color. I'm just going to use a small pencil brush and go ahead and do that. And I'm really only bringing it in a little past halfway and not going into my corner. And I'm just smoking that out. Now for my waterline, I'm actually going to go in with this NYX Wonder Pencil in medium. So it's this nice little cream color right here. Now I'm going to go back with my mascara and go ahead and put that on my bottom lid. For my lips, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Slick Balm Stick, and it's in the color Rico Mauve. I feel like it's a little too pink. I want it to be a little bit more of a subtle pink. And then I'm going to finish my lips off with this Trust Fund Beauty in the color K-By. I feel like I need a little bit more blush. You know what I always do? I always put a little bit more blush and a little bit more contour. And last but not least, I'm going to put some highlighter on. I'm going to use City Color Glow Duo, and I'm going to use this color right here, which is the powder highlight. And I'm going to take that same color into my brow bone and my inner corner highlight. That's it, guys. This is my 60s inspired makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. This took a little bit of time with the eyes, but other than that, everything else is pretty much simple. You just want to keep your face very pink, very light, very natural and beautiful, and I had a lot of fun putting this look together. So if you like this look, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. And I thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I love you guys. Bye. The hair took more time than the makeup.